Welcome to the virtual tour of substation. Substation like this one lower the voltage of electricity before it reaches consumers. This is the 110 kV by 20 kV substation. You can see here 20 kV switch yard or switchgear room. In switchgear section, vacuum circuit breaker protects outgoing feeders controlled by numerical relays, SCADA and control panels. This is the switch yard. It uses two transformers to step down the voltage from 110 by 20 kV. This is the surge arresters. You can see here voltage transformer for measuring the voltage. This is a current transformer for measuring current. This is the circuit breaker, and these are the disconnector switches. Disconnector or isolate is a mechanical switching device used to isolate equipment. Disconnector switch only operate on no load condition. You can see here the disconnector switches for each line: red, yellow and blue. Here you can see the overview of 110 by 20 kV substation. Now you can see the normal operation. If we need to disconnect the line, first of all we will open the circuit breaker. Now you can see we are opening the circuit breaker. After open the circuit breaker, we open the disconnector switch. You can see here we open the disconnector switch. When the disconnector switch operates and heavy electric arc produced in it. Now you can see the other side of disconnector switch operation. After the disconnector switch opened, we operate the earth switch operation. Earth switch operation for earth or ground the residual line voltages safely. You can see here the earth switch operation for each line: red, yellow, blue.